Now type 5, it is normal or perpendicular form, one and the same thing. Now what the equation, what the statement says, to find equation of a straight line in terms of P, the length of perpendicular from the origin upon it and theta the angle which this perpendicular makes with the x axis. Once again, to find the equation of a straight line in terms of P, so I have mentioned here that this is P in terms of P, okay, like this, in terms of P. And what is P? The length of the perpendicular from the origin. This is the origin, this is perpendicular, and theta the angle which this perpendicular makes with the x axis. This is the theta which this angle makes, which this perpendicular makes with the x axis, okay. Or another form is, to find the equation of a straight line in perpendicular form, means directly written it, to find the equation of a straight line in perpendicular form, and what the equation is, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to P. Is it clear? So a figure has been drawn here. Now according to the figure, this line is AB, a perpendicular is drawn from the origin on the AB. Now when this is 90, this is theta, this angle is 90 degree, it means this angle is 90 minus theta in triangle ONB, and the angle from x axis, from the positive direction of the x axis, it becomes 90 plus theta, okay. So this is all about the figure. Now let AB be a straight line here. AB I have drawn is a straight line. Now draw ON perpendicular on AB. First thing. Now let theta be the angle between, let theta be the angle between ON and positive of x axis, okay. P be the length of ON. This is what I already explained you, okay. Now draw draw NM, draw NM perpendicular on x axis, okay. Now when we have drawn NM perpendicular to x dash OX or the x axis, we are getting a triangle OM and M or OM and N, okay. Now in triangle we can take OMN, in triangle OMN. Now OM is equal to ON cos theta, OM is equal to P cos theta. One. And MN now, MN is equal to ON sin theta, so MN becomes P sin theta. So we are getting 2 points OM and ON. Now therefore coordinates of point n. Coordinates of point n are now, the coordinates will be p cos theta comma p sin theta. Okay. So, we got the coordinates for this point n. Now, O is from the origin. Now, slope of ON is equal to, okay, let us slope of ON, say m is equal to tan 90 degree plus theta. Now, for slope of AB, slope of AB, not ON, slope of AB. It will be slope of AB. Okay. Now, slope of AB is what? From here to here, that is 90 degree plus theta. So, we are having m is equal to negative of cot theta. Okay. Now, equation of straight line AB which passes through n and having slope m. Now, the equation becomes y minus p sin theta is equal to minus cot theta x minus p cos theta. Okay. Point slope form. Now, let us solve this one. Y minus p sin theta is equal to negative of cos theta upon sin theta with x minus p cos theta. Y sin theta minus p sin square theta minus x cos theta plus p cos square theta. Okay. Now, this becomes x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? That is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p is the required equation. Okay. So, x cos theta, we have to prove it, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p means the equation in terms of